how to emote in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can emote in your Roblox account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon. And once your Roblox application successfully launches, you will see an interface like this. Now in order to emote, you need to click onto this avatar option at the bottom of your screen, and once you will do that, you can see this particular screen. Now in this screen, simply move it towards the top portion of the screen and you will need to swipe left so that this goes right, and from here choose animations. Now under animations you can click onto emotes, and under emotes you have some free as well as some paid emotes. So let's choose a free emote, let's say the salute, and then you can click onto this free button and then click onto this get button. And once you will see this purchased option, you see that the emote has been successfully applied. You can also click onto this customize option by clicking onto this customize button as well. So that's how easily you can apply any emote in your Roblox. So that's how easy it is. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.